1. 1963 Chevrolet Nova 300 Gasser. Price $38,000, located Wautoma, Wisconsin. The 1963 Chevrolet Nova 300 Gasser is a beautifully prepared street and strip machine that combines classic American styling with serious supercharged performance. Finished in crisp white with a black interior, this clean title Nova has accumulated 12,345 miles and remains in excellent condition throughout. Under the hood sits a powerful 489 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 equipped with a massive blower system, delivering exceptional horsepower and the unmistakable character expected from a true gasser build. Power is transferred through a durable turbo 400 automatic transmission featuring a reverse manual valve body, trans brake, and line lock for dependable drag strip performance. A freshly rebuilt Dana rear axle with 4.10 gears provides excellent traction while maintaining impressive reliability under hard acceleration. Despite its competition-inspired setup, the vehicle retains working lights and a valid title, allowing it to be driven legally on public roads as well as enjoyed at local cruise nights and racing events. Built to race, show, or simply enjoy on the street, this Nova offers outstanding versatility for any enthusiast. According to the seller, the car has been carefully maintained and remains ready for its next owner, with trade possibilities available for select classic Firebird or Nova models. 2. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Drag Car. Price $45,000, located Bismarck, North Dakota. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro drag car is a professionally engineered no-prep race machine built for serious competitors who demand exceptional craftsmanship and proven performance. Featuring an original steel body, this purpose-built Camaro has been constructed around a legendary Jerry Bickle double-frame rail chassis and is configured to accommodate either a Hemi or big block Chevrolet engine paired with a Powerglide transmission. The car supports both small tire and big tire combinations, currently utilizing massive 33-inch rear tires mounted on Weld Alumistar beadlock wheels for maximum traction. Premium race components include a Mittler Brothers fabricated rear housing, Moser 40 spline axles with 4.10 gears, Strange adjustable suspension, JBRC chromoly driveshaft, Rossler trans brake, and cone racing components. Additional equipment includes TMRC carbon fiber tubs, lightweight carbon interior panels, Ram Air Trans AM dashboard, complete fire suppression system, and advanced V300 digital instrumentation with sensors for fuel flow and blown alcohol applications. Weighing approximately 2,490 pounds race-ready, this Camaro represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a professionally built platform capable of competing at the highest level of modern drag racing. 3. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D. Price $60,000, located Columbus, Montana. The 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe is an extraordinary pro-street build that combines iconic C3 Corvette styling with exceptional supercharged performance and premium modern upgrades. Finished in vibrant yellow with a black interior, this beautifully maintained Corvette has accumulated only 300 miles since completion and has remained under the care of just 2 owners. Power comes from a professionally built 434 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine equipped with a Nelson Racing BDS 871 supercharger, delivering breathtaking horsepower and remarkable throttle response. A built turbo 400 automatic transmission transfers power efficiently while a fully upgraded Weldon fuel system and modern electric cooling system ensure dependable operation under demanding conditions. Additional performance upgrades include Van Steel suspension components, Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, hooker headers, Borla exhaust, Dakota digital gauges, a 6-point roll cage, racing harnesses, and a professionally tubbed rear section to accommodate wide performance tires. The removable T-top roof enhances versatility, while the ceramic-coated paint and documented build history reflect the exceptional care invested in this remarkable Corvette, making it an outstanding choice for collectors and performance enthusiasts alike. 4. 1973 Datsun 240Z. Price $25,000, located Glendive, Montana. The 1973 Datsun 240Z is a one-of-a-kind pro-street machine that combines lightweight Japanese sports car styling with extraordinary American V8 performance. Finished in attractive blue, this clean title custom build has accumulated approximately 1,500 miles and features an extensively modified drivetrain designed for impressive horsepower and reliable street performance. At its heart is a professionally assembled 396 cubic inch Gen 3 Hemi stroker engine topped with a powerful 871 supercharger capable of supporting well over 1,300 horsepower. Fuel delivery is managed through a Phytec 1200 fuel injection system complemented by a newly installed methanol injection setup for additional performance potential. A heavy-duty 727 automatic transmission rated for approximately 750 horsepower efficiently transfers power to the rear wheels, while four-wheel disc brakes provide dependable stopping capability. According to the seller, the engine has only 200 miles since completion, while the blower, transmission, and rear axle have roughly 1,000 miles of use. Additional upgrades include a premium ignition system and numerous aluminum components. Combining incredible engineering with unmistakable styling, this custom 240Z delivers a truly unforgettable driving experience. 5. 1970 Plymouth Cuda. Price $70,000, located Rapid City, South Dakota. The 1970 Plymouth Cuda is an extraordinary pro-street muscle car that combines legendary Mopar heritage with exceptional supercharged Hemi performance. Originally equipped with a 318 V8, this professionally transformed Cuda now features a powerful stroker Hemi engine fitted with a polished Dyer's 871 supercharger that has accumulated fewer than 100 miles since completion. Finished in attractive green with a black interior, this clean title classic has traveled only 1,234 miles and remains in outstanding condition throughout. Power is delivered through a professionally built TorqueFlite 727 automatic transmission to a fully tubbed rear chassis equipped with heavy-duty Moser shortened axle shafts and aggressive 4.56 gears. Massive Mickey Thompson Sportsman rear tires provide outstanding traction while complementing the car's unmistakable pro-street stance. According to the seller, the engine produces an impressive 828 horsepower at 6,800 revolutions per minute using only 8 pounds of boost while operating on premium 91-octane pump gasoline. Combining breathtaking performance, exceptional craftsmanship, and timeless Plymouth styling, this remarkable Cuda offers collectors and enthusiasts an unforgettable American muscle car capable of dominating both the street and the show field. 6. 1983 Mercury Capri. Price $12,000, located Williston, North Dakota. The 1983 Mercury Capri is a classic Fox platform performance coupe that offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts looking to own a lightweight American muscle car with strong mechanical foundations and exciting future potential. Finished in black with a striking red interior, this Capri has accumulated approximately 70,000 miles and features a recently rebuilt engine that delivers dependable performance and smooth operation. Equipped with a manual transmission, the car provides an engaging driving experience while preserving the sporty character that made the Mercury Capri popular among performance enthusiasts during the early 1980s. According to the seller, the engine runs exceptionally well and requires only minor cosmetic attention, making it an ideal project for someone seeking a fun weekend cruiser or a foundation for additional performance upgrades. Its lightweight construction, balanced handling, and classic styling continue to make the Capri a desirable alternative to similarly equipped Mustangs from the same era. Combining affordability, mechanical reliability, and timeless Fox body appeal, this 1983 Mercury Capri represents an outstanding value for collectors, hobbyists, or anyone searching for an enjoyable vintage performance coupe ready to be personalized and driven. 7. 1988 Chevrolet S10 Extended Cab Drag Truck. Price $26,500, located Surprise, Arizona. The 1988 Chevrolet S10 Extended Cab Drag Truck is a professionally built full-chassis race truck engineered specifically for competitive bracket racing and NHRA competition. Constructed around a certified funny car cage with a current NHRA 8.50 certification, this lightweight pickup has been carefully assembled using premium racing components throughout. Power comes from a 421 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine fitted with Dart aluminum cylinder heads, T&D shaft rockers, Comp Cam's roller valve train, GE forged pistons, and a Holley carburetor for dependable high-performance operation. A turbo 400 automatic transmission with a Hughes 8-inch converter efficiently transfers power while an electric shifter and onboard air compressor provide consistent race day performance. Additional equipment includes Aeromotive fuel system components, MSD ignition, fiberglass front end, aluminum tonneau cover, removable nose section, dual batteries, and fresh Hoosier slicks with only a handful of passes. Weighing approximately 2,800 pounds with the driver, this professionally maintained S10 is fully race-ready and represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a dependable turnkey drag truck capable of immediate competition. 8. 1977 Pontiac Trans Am Drag Race Car. Price $28,000, located Emmett, Idaho. The 1977 Pontiac Trans Am drag race car is a professionally prepared turnkey competition machine built with premium components and designed for dependable performance in multiple drag racing classes. Finished in vibrant orange with a black interior, this clean title Trans Am has accumulated approximately 500 miles since its recent comprehensive refresh and is fully prepared for immediate competition. Power comes from a freshly rebuilt 540 cubic inch Chevrolet big block featuring a forged Callis crankshaft, JE pistons, Brodix cylinder heads, bullet roller camshaft, Schubeck solid lifters, and a Holley Dominator carburetor supplied by an Aeromotive fuel system. A freshly serviced BTE transmission with trans brake transfers power through a Mark Williams modular 9-inch rear axle equipped with 40 spline axles, for link suspension, wheelie bars, and QA1 adjustable coil-over shocks. Additional race equipment includes aerospace front brakes, flaming river rack and pinion steering, NHRA certified roll cage, Kirky seats, Biondo delay box, odometer playback tachometer, 16-volt electrical system, and premium Hoosier racing tires. Combining proven engineering with outstanding reliability, this Trans Am is fully prepared for serious bracket or index competition. 9. 1968 Chevrolet Malibu. Price $42,000, located Elko, Nevada. The 1968 Chevrolet Malibu is an outstanding pro touring muscle car that successfully combines classic Chevrolet styling with modern turbocharged performance and everyday reliability. Finished in attractive blue with a black interior, this clean title Malibu has accumulated fewer than 1,000 miles since receiving its professionally completed build. Under the hood is a turbocharged LS3 engine assembled by Outlaw Race Engines, producing approximately 600 horsepower while maintaining impressive drivability for both street and highway use. Power is delivered through a Tremec TKX 5-speed manual transmission connected to a strange Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring 3.55 limited slip gears for outstanding traction and smooth cruising. Additional upgrades include Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes, QA1 coil-over suspension at every corner, Holley Terminator electronic fuel management with digital monitor, Dakota digital instrumentation, full roll cage, racing seats, and 5-point safety harnesses. The seller describes the interior as exceptionally clean and comfortable, making this Malibu equally suited for spirited weekend driving or local car shows. Combining premium craftsmanship, modern engineering, and timeless muscle car appeal, this Chevrolet offers an unforgettable driving experience with remarkable performance. 10. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro drag car. Price $45,500, located Clarkston, Washington. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro drag car is a professionally engineered competition machine built with premium components and meticulous craftsmanship for racers who demand exceptional consistency and performance. Finished in brilliant orange with a black interior, this one-of-a-kind Camaro has accumulated approximately 1,000 miles and has been carefully maintained throughout its racing career. Power comes from a fresh 427 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine built around a dark block with Profiler aluminum heads, JE gas-ported pistons, Callis crankshaft, Callis Compstar connecting rods, bullet camshaft, vacuum pump, and a professionally designed fuel system. A Reed-built Powerglide transmission with a 1.80 gear set, racing valve body, and 5,800 revolutions per minute stall converter delivers dependable launches every pass. Additional equipment includes a strange Ford 9-inch rear axle with interchangeable 4.56 and 5.14 gear sets, QA1 adjustable suspension, custom-coated Hedman headers, aluminum driveshaft, removable fiberglass front clip, lightweight racing components, and fresh Hoosier drag slicks. According to the seller, the Camaro consistently recorded low 6.20 second eighth-mile passes and 9.70 second quarter-mile runs, making it an outstanding turnkey race car with proven championship-level capability. 11. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Price $48,000, located Idaho Falls, Idaho. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro is a freshly completed drag-ready muscle car that combines timeless first-generation Camaro styling with dependable big-block Chevrolet performance and race-inspired engineering. Finished in attractive red, this professionally assembled coupe has accumulated only 1,000 miles since completion and is fully prepared for immediate competition or exhibition use. Under the hood sits a newly built big-block Chevrolet engine engineered to deliver exceptional horsepower and outstanding reliability under demanding racing conditions. The drivetrain is paired with a durable automatic transmission that provides smooth, consistent power delivery while supporting aggressive launches at the drag strip. Additional race equipment includes a professionally mounted parachute, competition-ready chassis components, and numerous performance upgrades that enhance both safety and capability. According to the seller, the car is completely race-ready and requires nothing before heading to the track. Its muscular stance, fresh mechanical build, and classic Camaro body lines create an impressive combination that appeals equally to collectors and serious racers. Offering exceptional craftsmanship, dependable engineering, and unmistakable American muscle heritage, this 1969 Camaro represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a turnkey performance machine. 12. 1955 Chevrolet 210. Price $55,000, located Glendale, Arizona. The 1955 Chevrolet 210 is an outstanding pro-street classic that perfectly blends iconic Tri-5 styling with legendary Hemi performance and dependable street manners. Finished in elegant white with a distinctive green interior, this clean title Chevrolet has accumulated approximately 1,234 miles and has been carefully built to deliver both impressive acceleration and everyday drivability. At the heart of the car is a powerful 392 cubic inch Chrysler Hemi engine equipped with a massive 671 supercharger, creating an unforgettable combination of horsepower, torque, and classic hot rod character. A durable 727 3-speed automatic transmission efficiently transfers power to a Dana 60 rear axle fitted with aggressive 4.11 gears for excellent traction and strong quarter-mile performance. According to the seller, this professionally assembled Chevrolet is completely street legal and consistently runs high 10-second quarter-mile times while remaining enjoyable for regular cruising. The vehicle's clean presentation, proven drivetrain, and timeless body design make it equally suitable for car shows, weekend events, or spirited driving. Combining premium craftsmanship, outstanding performance, and unmistakable 1950s Chevrolet styling, this remarkable 210 is ready for its next enthusiast owner.